What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
So we are
Heading to Maggie Valley, and we're going to meet on a bug again.
okay. So where's Maggie Valley?
On the end of the Smoky Mountains.
All right. So it's in what state is it in?
North Carolina.
Yeah. So we're heading to North Carolina. We're on I-40 East, and
Yeah,
gonna
with
be
Libby and Mommy.
with Libby and Mommy, and we're going to the Smoky Mountains. It should be fun. Check it out. So Ollie, did we make? Look at me. Hi. Did we make it?
Yes.
So where are we at?
Well, we're with Mom Baka.
Oh, say hi, Mana.
Hi.
Hi, Baka.
Hi.
What are you doing? Just eating pizza? All right.
And drinking Dr. Pepper.
Yeah.
Diet Dr. Pepper.
So we made it to Maggie Valley, and we're staying in this beautiful cabin, and we're gonna have some fun. So Ollie, what are we gonna do today? I know you see you there with your grandma.
Maggie Valley.
Maggie Valley. So we're in Maggie Valley, but what did you want to do today? We're in the Smoky Mountains. Do you want to go play in the mountains?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna go find some waterfalls and some maybe places we can go play in the creek.
Yes.
Hey, so we're here at Looking Glass Falls. What do you think, bud?
Cool, and we're going to go down there.
No. Are we gonna go down there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't know how to.
We'll figure it out. What do you think, bud?
We're on the bottom of the lake.
Yeah, are you gonna get in?
Yeah.
Why don't you get in? Tell us how cold it is.
Really cold.
How cold is it, Baka?
Really cold.
Uh-huh.
We were out the water for 10 seconds.
Did we walk all the way up to the waterfall?
Yeah.
Was it fun? How was that water? Was it cold?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, yeah. When you get up to the waterfall, doesn't it feel like the wind starts pushing you away from the water?
Yeah.
Pretty neat. Where are we at? Sliding Rock. Pretty cool, huh? So what did you think?
Going way to like get my water in the eyes too.
Was it scary?
Well, it was cool, but it didn't let me bring my floaties.
Yeah. So let me ask you this: if we came back here with like a mask to cover your eyes, would you do it again?
Yeah.
Would you do it again anyways? You want to go do it one more time?
Well, no. Well, I don't want. I don't even want you guys see me with my floaties.
No, you can't do it with a floaty, but did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're a brave boy doing it twice because you almost didn't want to do it the second time, but you did anyway, so high five. All right. That it?
Yes.
Say hi, Baka. Mana. All right. So, Ollie, what are we doing today?
We're on an apple tree.
We're at an apple tree? Well, there's an apple orchard, isn't there?
Yeah, there's
Look at me.
apples.
Look at the camera.
There's apples.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, would you like one?
No, because I'm pretty sure that we can't just pick these people's apples.
You can. Oh, you can.
So, we got this cool little swimming creek behind us.
Yeah.
And we're gonna swim a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
Or just wade around, have some fun.
Yes, and also play with the boat.
And we're not gonna play with the boat because we didn't bring the right kind of batteries.
Put the boat in the water and chase
trying.
it downstream.
Do you wanna just put the boat in the water and chase it downstream?
No, I want remote control it.
Okay. Well, maybe if we find some batteries, we can play with the boat, but right now we're just gonna swim. Check it out. So, Ollie, so we did some swimming and some rock skipping. Was that cool? Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Camera works impeccable.
Yes, but we're going upstairs.
Holy cow, yeah, you're not kidding, are we?
Yeah, it's going to be a long hike.
Yeah, what are you talking about? You're getting carried.